Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn off sound of messages on the application of Emo. To know how to turn off sound of messages on the application of Emo, you should just go to the app of Emo as you see and you click. After that, in this page, you will enter through this window of profile and you will click here. Then in this list, you will enter to settings. After that, in this page, you will click notifications. Then in this list, we'll enter to messages, and as you see, we click in this sign. If this sign changes, then you can know how to turn off sound of messages on the application of Emo. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video.